deck anymore.
Hello, everybody.
Your data.
I'm
Hello.
live now. Hello, the ant. Sorry, I am a little late. I am slow.
Hello. Oh, did you join the stream together?
No. I will.
No.
I'm setting up my stream announcement.
Yep, that's the one. So I'll use player data instead of the deck.
Someday I'll use the ping per video roll.
Oh, jeez.
Someday there might be a video. About like
Dude, relatable as
Fortnite.
fuck. Alright, share chat is on.
Here we go.
So I'm just gonna get the sticker stuff working again. And then
Okay,
also
let's go.
I want to explore the idea of the relics and see if that's something that we can set up
Yeah.
for.
Let me share my screen. I know there's like the strategy pattern or whatever. I don't remember how that works.
Yeah, well,
It'd be cool if someone had like a video on it, but
that would be cool. Unfortunately, that doesn't exist.
yeah. Stretch out my hands real
Yeah.
quick, so I'll just sit here and stare at my notes.
Okay.
I wanted to possibly work on the card binder a little bit more. See if I can get that in the game somewhat. Because that'll be useful for setting up the forge as well, making that work a little bit better. And I was looking through the to-do stuff. Yeah, I think that really the main thing is UIs, like the forge, and then relics and stickers.
Yeah.
I think like the big thing
It's
is
just, like,
relics and
bug fixes.
stickers.
But yeah,
Yeah,
those are just things that have to happen at some point.
yeah.
I need to add this. Where am I adding sticker packs? It is debug menu.tsc or .gd. Yes, sticker. Add sticker pack. Yes, you will not be based off of deck anymore. You will be based off of player data. Click. Okay, so sticker pack
Look at that.
technically works again.
Technically.
I'm gonna push this change up.
Okay.
Because that should be good enough for you to at least work with it if you wanted to. There's a
Are
couple
you a
of things
furry,
that
a
ideally...
furry, or a furry? That's a loaded question.
How is that a loaded question?
Because, no wait, maybe it isn't. I don't know. I'm too tired for this. Yeah.
All right, man. No, for sure. Hey, buddy, where's all of my Git changes? Up there they are. There's the 2,300 changes. Yippee.
Nice. Why does it keep doing that?
Do you have these changes? Can you,
No.
You don't have those at all, do you?
Like the imports? No.
Yeah.
Those don't ever show up.
I don't know why
never
these are a
see
thing.
those.
I have no clue why they're a thing. I'm just gonna commit them up though, I think is what needs to happen.
Yeah, I'm sure that's fine.
It should be.
I didn't say
just,
yeah
like,
to that.
metadata.
No, that's not what I know.
This doesn't matter.
Oh, I forgot to open stream avatars.
Uh-oh.
Oh, oops, I had my
Everyone
Counter-Strike
needs them.
inventory open. Stream avatars. Oh, it's running. I just didn't actually start it. There we go. I
Are there two
accidentally...
twinks on your screen?
I don't... Wait, where
I
are
don't
you
know,
seeing
because
this?
you were like, man, I want to go... Oh, I said it in my YouTube chat.
Oh,
You were
didn't-
like, oh, dude, I want
don't
to see
that.
twinks.
That's weird.
Yeah. I set it to live chat instead of top chat.
Oh, yeah, because it hides...
Yeah.
You can't see
It's because you were
twinks
like,
in
man,
live
I want to
chat.
see a game dev stream. And that's... You're either going to find one twink or two twinks. And so...
There we go. Now my stream
Congratulations, you
avatars
ended up
are
on the one that has two.
Stream avatars is weird. Stream
Some
avatars.
buttons.
There we go. Oh, better.
Why is there a
Yeah,
boy kisser folder?
moving around.
Don't ask such silly questions. Because it's important to the game, of course.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is... Where did I put my buttons at? They're over here. I'll show you in a second. That's where I am. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. Give me a button called camera zoom. Camera zoom. And then down here, you will not have pressed
I was
signal.
also thinking of maybe doing some more card art today because I have a few ideas. And just making the card art gives us more options for like content to show off. Like if you just want to have a bunch of card art to flex, you know, even if they don't do anything. I'm trying to remember which ones I wanted to do.
Why is this open? You shouldn't be open.
Weird.
You shouldn't be open. Oh, did I fuck up? Yeah, I did. Oopsies. You are supposed to be this thing. Reload. Get these twinks on my screen. There we go. So now the camera zoom buttons actually work, which is cool. So if you wanted to use those debug camera zooms, you can now.
That'd actually be useful for making like trailer content too, since the player is kind of small.
He is. He's very small. Tiny guy.
Little guy.
Little dude. Little baby man.
It actually would be cool if you could even set keybinds for it. And have it like kind of like lerp between them, or I don't know if it already does that. But I could. What would be cool is to have like my 2 side mouse buttons bound to like zoom in and zoom out, so that way if I'm like wanted to record content or something and like zoom in while recording, that could be handy. So that way I don't throw.
Maybe.
Maybe it's this idea.
Yeah, let me commit this up first, and then I'll.
Okay.
Sticker fixes.
I'm still just stretching, so.
Camera zoom. He's stretching. Is your stream just set to your Obsidian notes, or is it set to mine?
It's just Obsidian notes. I can set it to yours.
It's crazy.
Okay, I can see the to-do list. There you go, fine. You can watch Biddy do whatever he's doing. Kind of lame, but...
Yeah, whatever Baruch shit I'm doing. Is there physics processing here? There's not. Alright, buddy. Physics process time. Inside of the debug menu, my beloved. If input by its debug it from
I think Obsidian is an igneous rock.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm very smart.
Oh yeah, it's doing this gross shit. Whatever.
My typing no work. My talking no work.
This is true.
And did we decide we want to do the binder like Gungeon where it has like the different pages that it like flips through, and then we could have like the settings menu on it and things like that as well?
I don't remember, to be honest with you. I believe so. I believe it was going to be that it was a book with like this, and then you had like 3 different pages, and there would be little tabs that would stick out of them that you could click on, and it would swap to them.
Swap to let me look at our
swap to
Dr. Pepper. Yum yum. Sorry.
Ew.
Where is this? What do you have against
I didn't like that
Pepper?
So many mouth noises came through whenever you did that. That was gross as fuck.
Sorry, I like didn't. That was just Discord like making it sound weird. That was very never mind.
Yeah.
Where's the binder? Is it full UI? No, that's not it. Is it?
I guess this would be clamp, right? Clamp it.
Yes, it's not in here. Open file.
1 and 4. I think. Hello. Hi.
Goat. You're talking about me, right?
Surely.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'll just copy this code over, whatever, who cares. And then change this to a minus.
One thing I want also soon is that not to be annoying with that charge shader thing, because that would be really good for trailers. So that way it's not the janky old thing.
Yeah. because you're it's funny, you're like, not to be annoying or anything, because you were like, oh, I want that in, and I was like, oh, I can do that whenever, and you're like, well, it's not important, don't do it now.
Wait, what?
So when do we want that done? Which
I'm trying to think. I don't think it really matters the order, because I'm gonna want stickers and relics for the trailer as well, probably. I mean, I wanna... I'm thinking. I want to have just like a basic trailer soon that I can just put out, and then we can make a nicer one later. But it's just, I'm trying to think of what I want to put in that one and what we can just put off. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright,
JW, check this out.
Sorry.
So I can press the thumb button on my mouse to zoom in.
Oh, cool.
Or zoom out.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go ahead and push this up as well. So how are you doing, Alufta? How you doing?
Okay. Forge UI mockup? No. Full UI mockup? No, that's not it either. Where did I save this? I don't remember where I saved this.
So, do we have a list of considerations that we made for the relics at some point?
Kind of. There's the 2 notes for the relics down there at the bottom.
Yeah.
But I don't remember.
I'm looking at this and I'm like thinking about the upgrades, the stickers and cards and relics. Because I'm thinking about like, I want this to be event driven, ideally. I want rather than like relics being I want to do this, like have a function that you call directly when something happens. I want it to be the relic can kind of subscribe to an event, like it can listen for a signal from something. And I'm trying to figure out how I want to do that. One thing I did with my old project.
I'm 100% sure what you're saying, so this is kind of something that you're gonna have to like figure out how to explain it to me.
Yeah, so the thing that I did for my old project, if you remember, it was kind of like Terraria, where like there were accessories that you could have equipped to the player.
Yeah.
So the way that I did it was, whenever the player hit something, the player actually had like an event routing sort of component on it that just emitted an event that said like damaged target or something like that. And then the relics, whenever they are equipped to the player, will grab that routing sort of signal thing and say, hey, I want to listen for your damaged target signal. And whenever that target or whenever that signal gets emitted, it runs whatever code it needs to before the actual attack is set off. So it's kind of like, I guess it kind of would be like this. So like over here, we have kind of like the action, which we'll just say is like attack. And then like over here, we have like, the actual damage inside of the enemy. Something like that. And the idea is like, we can either have like 0 relics in this area, there's just nothing, or we could have like, relic 1 that takes the information from this and upgrades it, and then it goes back down into this.
Okay,
and it goes up to relic 2, and so on. So it's like any number of upgrades could be applied here.
Yeah.
But rather than having like a list of relics 1, 2, and 3, and saying like calling the directly like upgrade attack function or something on it, these could instead just say, hey, I'm relic 1, I want to listen to the signal dealt damage and the signal received damage. So it's like
Yeah.
whenever you deal damage, you deal 20% extra, but whenever you take damage for 5 seconds, this doesn't apply or something like that.
Yeah.
So it would be able to listen to the event that says the player took damage. Okay, disable, this for 5 seconds, and then when it comes back on, it starts responding.
That makes more sense. I'm pretty sure you explained this before, but I just like.
Yeah. I'm thinking about the different ways that it could be applied because it's not entirely something I haven't done, and it's whenever I did it before, I actually really, really liked the system. I'm considering it from like is there something I could do better? Because especially with some of the component stuff that we've got going on now with like the util.register self, this would be really, really easy. Because any relics could simply register themselves as, or the event routing component could register itself, and any of the relics could then request that event routing component from a unit if it wants to.
Yeah.
Is overkill is the only question that I have, and the answer is probably not.
No, I don't think so.
I'm just thinking about it. You once saw a tutorial from a cool YouTuber on something like this? Really?
Really?
You might want to link that if you don't mind. So yeah, I think I'll. I'm gonna write down considerations for this. Because like one of them is like if we use like an event router component, is relics have an easy time registering signals, and also easy to carry signals from place to place. I guess I'll say like pros. Cons being could be overkill. Signal hell is a word that needs to be kept in mind. This also makes it easy to.
Oop, I'm still on Biddy Vision, sorry. I'm looking at Binder. Let's kill these guys right now. Oh wait, why are those on the same layer?
Can make use of this if needed.
Hello, Average Godot Enjoyer. Happy Thursday to you as well.
I guess that doesn't really. Actually, that wouldn't be the worst thing. Well, actually, no. It'd be hard to It'd be hard to reorder relic priority. I guess the relics could also register to global events as well. It doesn't even. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna go with this. I think this is what I want to do.
Continuous.
I think this should just be a node because you don't need a position. Okay. What would you call this, JW? So this takes signals from anywhere on the player, or it could be enemies as well, but it just takes a signal from somewhere and then allows other things to listen in on that signal. So like, for example, if the health component emit the damage signal, then with like any of these other components could technically listen to this signal rather than listening to the health component. What makes sense to you?
Signal router or like event router. Can you repeat one more time what it does? Just so I can
So
make sure I understand correctly.
this thing is this will have this will just have like a thing of signals. It's similar to a signal bus. I was trying not to say it by name because I just wanted to hear what your actual name would be. So you would have something like you would have a signal like dealt damage, and which would have an attack. You would have something like damaged, which would have an attack. This would also have a target, which is some kind of creature, and this would have like a source, which would be some kind of creature. And so anything on the player, so if any of these components wanted to know about this event or modify this attack before it goes off, they could get a reference to this node, register to its signal, and then process. It would have access to like the attack that's about to happen and the target that's about to happen too.
So is that what relics would use? I'm confused. You're saying like components on the player, but would that mean relics?
It could be components on the player, but the main
Okay.
purpose of it right now is relics.
Okay, sorry, I was just confused because you said components on the player, not relics. So
yeah,
make
so
sure
the
it's
relics
same
will be
thing.
the ones mainly using this, but we could use this for other things as well, and I wouldn't be opposed to it.
I think like event router or signal router.
Okay,
Or
I'll just call it event router then.
Yeah, event router makes more sense because it's like things happening. Signal is just kind of like more generic. Events like something is actively happening.
Mm-hmm.
Sleepy, sleepy.
Real.
Thankfully, I don't have to open tomorrow though. You work at 10, but I don't have to open.
Whoa.
So it's a lot better. Okay, what am I doing here? I want to
Excuse me.
intersect you.
Excuse me.
Nope.
Hmm. Okay, I need to come up with a naming scheme for this. Because I want to have a signal for whenever the player gets hit. So probably like on received hit, maybe, or on. Okay, I'll just say like hit received or like attack received.
Attack received is probably fine.
And then I'll do attack dealt, attack. Attack. I'll just say attack dealt. Attack. No, I don't like it. Attack hit. Attack. Attack unit? No. Unit attack.
Hello, Lazy Titan. Yes, indeed, we are doing arts, or I am doing arts. I don't know what Bitlytic is doing. Actually, I do, but like, I don't.
I'll just say attack dealt. Whatever.
I don't know what he's doing.
Hello.
He's doing
Hello,
crazy
Zab Digital.
magic stuff.
Oh, I need to do a warning ignore for both of these. Unused signal.
Uh-oh, he's warning, ignoring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3.
You're doing good. That's good.
7, 8.
I'm doing pretty well, I'll be honest. I'm very excited at the prospect that we've got going on right now. What would be a good starting relic, do you think, to kind of just play around with this?
Starting relic to play around with. Let me look at the list real quick as soon as I'm done here.
Forgot we had a list. I always forget that we have a list.
There's a big list. It's probably the
It's
biggest
the one that's
list we
called
have.
Relics, not Relics Pins, right?
Yes, Relics Pins is yours. That's just like explaining how it works, kind of.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay, mana route, charge rate.
I'd
Ooh.
say, I don't know.
How about, just for funsies, I'm gonna do one that increases your damage dealt based on the money that you have.
Yeah.
Because I think that should be good to test out this event stuff. What kind of game am I working on? I'm working on a game with my friend here, Tempura Cat or JW.
Hi.
I'm the programmer for his game, and it is called Dante's 9. It is a roguelike platformer.
You can
with
do,
cards.
what's the command to
It's an exclamation mark
fancy
game. You can do that, not in my chat, because I
Oh,
haven't added that.
I
I
thought
always
you
forget
did.
to. No.
Oh,
I mean, I'll
okay.
try. I'll try it. Whatever.
I don't think it'll work.
Nope.
Rip.
Yeah. But,
here,
well,
I can
it's
do
the
it in
description.
Twitch, and then I will paste the.
Yeah. It is. It is
there we go.
like a side view Enter the Gungeon rather than top down.
Kind
it's like
of.
the most basic overview.
Yeah.
Enter the Gungeon, Binding of Isaac, side view.
And but it's also a deck builder. Is like kind of the important part that he forgot to mention.
Yeah, that's true.
These feel a little bit too staggered.
Relics?
It's good to have a cooperation mode where you can and another programmer can work on the same project. No, we use Git, which sounds scary and complicated, but it's actually quite simple. We should actually probably see if there's like a simple tutorial on how to set that up. There's so many people that are always asking how to do that.
That is true, yeah. A lot of people do ask
but
that.
It is pretty simple. I am an artist, so like I don't understand all the fancy programming stuff. So essentially,
yeah.
If you want to pull up my screen for like 2 seconds.
Sure, yeah, because you've got the simpler version of it.
Yeah, basically.
Yep. Yeah, we're just playing with versions.
Let me
yeah, if you already know what Git is, we're just using Git.
Yeah, but it's so simple for me because I'm a stupid artist that I just oh, my game's dying. Oh, there's so many changes. So simple.
Are there? How many does it say?
I know, kinda. Okay. But yeah, basically, I can just type whatever I did in here, card back, and then I just click a one button, and then boom, it sends him the version. At least most of the time, it's that simple. But I'm like too dumb to figure out how all that works.
Please no merges, please no merges, please no merges. Let's fucking go.
See, look at that. Easy. Just like 3 clicks and now all her versions are synced. And setting up a repository for Godot is very simple as well. Yeah, I'm an artist too. Okay. Yeah, I definitely think it's easier for an artist to do game dev than a programmer. I'm not gonna lie.
What?
You have a YouTube as well. You do art stuff. I post art stuff like on Twitter and other places. Not so much on YouTube. I need to post more stuff on YouTube, but I do post my art on Twitter and things like that. I am Tempura Cat pretty much everywhere.
Ooh.
I should do some YouTube stuff, but I'm just slow. I did post some like shorts of my pixel art, but they kind of sucked.
Ooh, okay, we're thinking about something. I'm schminking. Does this know about the player?
Why does this Dr. Pepper taste weird? It's almost like spicy.
I have to say it's spicy. First, so fucking white, he's getting spiced out by Dr. Pepper. That's
no,
crazy.
It's just like... It's a little bit spicy. It's not spicy, but it's got like more spice to it than it usually does. And it's cherry too, which is like it shouldn't.
It's cherry.
It's cherry. Sorry, my bad. What should these?
I thought there was a comment that had something about the player. Sound.star player. specifically inside of source.
We'll grab a Dr. Pepper, not sponsored. So
You-
real. I wish I was sponsored
Oh,
by Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper, if you're watching, please sponsor me. I want money.
Okay, I'm seeing an issue currently, which is
Uh-oh.
it's fine.
What the heck?
let's
What layer are
see.
these on? Oh, there we go.
So this should have something about events. I wanted
You.
to. What?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which Dr. Pepper? I have Dr. Pepper Cherry Zero Sugar. Because I'm a healthy boy.
I don't think this would matter, actually. I think this should be fine. Yeah, okay. I think I could just do, like, 1 damage on...
I like pretty much all Dr. Pepper flavors, except the blackberry isn't the greatest. It's not bad. It's just, like, I don't enjoy it that much. The, coconut Dr. Pepper is surprisingly good. Or was it just coconut? It was coconut and something else, I think. But it was surprisingly good. Was not expecting to like it. Is this too far? I'm measuring my pixels. That's 12. This should also be 12. Yes, that's 13. Only have the basic ones. Yeah, I'm all bougie and fancy.
We're gonna use damage dealt and damage received rather than attack dealt and attack received. Sorry. I just can't bring myself to use it. I don't like the name. Okay, so this won't do anything. This won't break, hopefully. It won't do anything. Okay, the answer is yeah, it does nothing. Hello. Yeah, okay. So one of the things that we have to do now is actually going to be a bit of a bitch, essentially. Which is currently we do not know when the enemy gets damaged, the enemy does not know that the damage just happened from the player. And the player does not know they just damaged an enemy. And so we actually have to make that connection somewhere now. Which might be a bit of a bitch, but we will find out. Does attack have a source variable per chance? You don't. We're gonna add a source variable. And I need to assign this somewhere. So, like, for example, I think I called it default attack. Yeah. You should be simple. No, you're not. Well, we could do attack dot source is equal to player dot player if we wanted to, because we know this is going to be from the player. And then on damage, if area is hitbox, why is this this thing isn't whatever. Damage if not can attack hit, then that does that. And let me do something about health component. That's great. Will it be part of health component then? Or will it be part of hitbox? I guess it'll be part of health component. So in here we'll say if attack dot source, then I would like to say attack. I want to go var events, or yeah, events is going to be util.get component from attack.source, and the type is going to be event router. Stop, good please. Event router as event router. If ads.
This is like super not aligned or anything, but do you think the card should have like little boxes like this that they're in, or just be like a flat page that they're kind of floating on? Oh, why is
Give
my
me
mouse
a
dying?
second. And I
Yeah,
can
good. Some
answer.
weird stuff with this. I need to fix. I don't know what's up. You're weird. Hold up. What layer are you on?
Okay, cool. So that actually did work. That actually wasn't that bad. Okay, what was your question? Sorry.
Give me 2 seconds. Hold up.
Oh, okay. Giving him 2 more
Sorry, I'm
seconds.
fixing the layer that got.
I'll answer Zab's question real quick.
Yeah.
What's the best tutorials and practices for you to get good to go? You're currently trying with GD Quest and some tutorials from Michael Games, myself, and Brackies. So I recommend to just
He's
make
gonna
shit.
say the 20 games challenge.
I'm gonna say the 20 games challenge. Yes, we know. I've done this one before, and I'll do it again. Get used to hearing it if you hate
played
it.
these games before.
So there is this challenge, which is 20 games challenge, even though if you scroll down it's 10. But anyways, so you start with game 1, which is either Pong or Flappy Bird. You make this, and from here, once you're happy with your progress on this, you go down the list, and you just keep doing this, and it will slowly build upon the last game that you made. That is my recommendation, because you will start off with, how do I make something move? Okay, I need to make it collide now. Okay, that's basically Pong. And then it's like, okay, well now I want to do this, which is collision and keeping track of score and restarting the game and things like that. And then it just keeps going on and moving past that. And then for the tutorial section, it's mainly just whenever you get stuck on a step, don't look up like if you don't know how to make a player jump, don't look up Godot platformer tutorial. Maybe you can, but like mainly you would want to look up, how do I make something jump, or how do I send something upwards and then apply gravity to it? How do I read input? Things like that.
Don't mess up here. Something's weird.
So,
I'm really bad at this.
okay, I now need to assign source.
Guys, how do I draw? I don't know how to draw.
Else print console.print attack did not have a source. I'm gonna like the stat so we know where this is coming from. So I think, like, if I were to pull out the gun or a brick, this would do that, right? Yeah, attack did not have a source. Neither of those did, actually. Cool. This is actually going to be something interesting, because I need to make sure that it keeps track of the source all the way down the tree, which is slightly annoying.
What layer are you on? Hello?
What are you doing, buddy? It looks like you have 2 of them.
Oh yeah, I do. Hoopers. It's okay.
I think the biggest mistake that we made as a society was giving artists the ability to use layers. Look at how they're just absolutely.
That's 21 by 20 by 21. You're 20 by 21. I think they should all be not 20 by 21. 1 pixel too wide.
Heart attacks
They're not centered.
Yeah.
Another 20 by 20, I think.
You don't have the ability to.
Oh, I see.
Oh, you do know about source. You have a source? Why the fuck do you have a source?
Me when I'm playing Half-Life.
Dude, that's so true. Half-Life.
Half-Life. What
Half-Life?
Half-Life?
What Half-Life? Oh my god, it does know about the player. Okay, just kidding. Your ass is fine. You can be let through.
We can do that. The shading. Does that look good? I don't know. I'm not.
What Half-Life?
I don't know what I'm doing. Outline? You're here. You go left, and you go left. Okay, I don't know. We got tabs, but I don't know if I like the tabs.
But you don't have source. No, you do have source. What the fuck? What are you doing? Who are you?
Main thing I'm worried about is how the heck do I animate the tabs? The artist forgot to draw. This is true. Am I witnessing true artist technique, or am I witnessing OCD? I don't think either, to be honest. I think I'm just dumb.
Sorry, does this do anything? Card yarn.tscn.
That's the wrong layer again.
No, you're a throwable. I don't.
The funny thing is I
anything.
started drawing this in such a way that it doesn't have very many layers, and somehow I'm still struggling with layers because I just wanted it to be a quick mock-up.
I'm telling you, we should never give an artist layers.
Split it out.
Just like force
later.
these motherfuckers to erase things.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do, but then it's like, no.
So you are called. What's the purpose of you being called? You literally extend from a class that does exactly what.
Make the tabs pull out to the left when you hover over them. That like doesn't make any logical sense.
It doesn't need to. It's a game.
But like, how are you supposed to know what the tab is? Because then you have to hover over it before you know what it is. Like you wouldn't know that's the card tab until you hover over it.
What?
Are you saying it should?
What's the problem that we're talking about right now?
That
like
I don't know. What did I?
You said you didn't know how to animate them. What are you animating them?
Oh, not the tabs, the pages. Like the pages turning.
We have a card shader that does the 3D thing.
Oh dear. You might be right. Oh dear.
Oh dearie me.
Oh my.
Oh me, oh my. Oh dearie me.
Yeah, not the tabs. Oh, also, yeah, I meant to ask the background for the cards. I'm trying to figure that out. I think I like the right side better, where it's just like a dark background with nothing really on it.
So I might actually leave a console print in here right now. Specifically this one. This doesn't. Actually, I'll add a color to it. Fuck, I have a print color function, don't I? Yeah. Color dot red.
Make the card fall with gravity when you event. Okay. Yeah.
Can I can get the stack right, can I print this in a way that looks good? Uh-oh. Yeah, I'll just I'll fucking format this whatever for oh my god, what the hell is it called in a stack? At the top of the stack is called
No.
Is it just called the head? I don't think so.
Maybe.
I'll just call it pointer, whatever. Put pointer in get stack. This will return a dictionary that has an array of dictionaries representing the current call stack. There's function, line, and source. So I'll say for pointer and get stack, we will save our up. It's a string stack plus equals line at the end of every one of these. We will do function. No, whatever. I don't care. Whatever. We'll just use the default print stack. Who cares? I'm not doing this. when will this game be out approximately? I think 2032 is the release date that we're looking at right now.
Yeah, somewhere around
I'm
then.
just kidding. Don't know. Have no clue. I've only been working on this for half a year now. He's been working on it a decent bit longer.
Yeah, it's definitely faster with this guy, but
at times.
not by much.
Yeah, it's not like double productivity. You'll find. Okay,
We kind of both suck at getting things done
this is
in the
true,
nicest way
actually.
possible.
I also enjoy doing other things with my life. Unfortunately,
Yeah, I kind of wish I could just like sit down and work on this for like forever, but I'm bad at that.
How much damage does the attack do by default? It's 10, right? Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
no
Cool.
clue.
So this does work. This does work. Yippee.
Let's go.
Okay, and then let's say, is this accurate? Is this how many coins I actually have? Or is that just like
What if we got a
placeholder?
publisher and you quit your job to work on Dante 9?
Ooh, I don't know about that.
That would be so
I do
tough, man.
actually quite like the existence of a job that is
Yeah, I know, I'm
guaranteed to
joking.
happen.
I was definitely joking. Just a little silly.
Yeah, no,
Being
just a little silly.
Yeah.
Break. Why is there
Why
a
is
print
this-
statement that just says break? What is? Oh, that's the slime, isn't it? I bet it's the slime. I bet you have a print statement that just says break. Yeah, it is. Hello, slime.
Hello, twin.
Hello, Mario. What is this? What the fuck? What is this? This is new. Okay. I think I can I'll just use that then, I guess. Respond is money drop dot instantiate money drop size money drop dot size.
Oh, the money drop might be broken because I don't know if I ever finished that because I was changing it. Maybe I don't know, to be honest. Maybe it works.
I will
see.
say for future reference, for enums, these are usually not plural.
Oh, okay.
It's usually like this would just be like size. This would be type. Just because like.
Oh yeah,
we know
yeah,
that
yeah,
it's
yeah,
gonna
yeah.
It's fine. It really isn't like a huge deal. It also
Enums
is not
are
something I'm
always
going to
confusing.
change here. Yeah.
I don't know why this.
But just for like if you ever get like a real job where you're programming or you work with other people that are programming, then
Yeah.
that's like one of the conventions throughout all programming languages that matter.
Yeah.
So what do these do? Sorry. Did you? Yeah, you changed things. but I don't know
Yeah,
if-
I honestly don't know if it works or not.
I guess we'll find out. Player
If it
currency is a
doesn't, I can
thing.
go through and work on
Currency
it. But
changed. It's fine. Don't worry about it too much. I can. Is this actually going anywhere? Console.print currency. Ideally, this should be okay. This does something. Console.print.
because I had copied the old code to make the mana drop, and then I think I meant to go back and redo the. But I
The
didn't.
money drop.
The money drop, but I didn't.
This is value. Value is drop that small gold value. What is this? Oh, this. Oh, I see. This is an exported variable that doesn't actually have anything on it. Small silver, small gold, large silver, large gold. What are these for? Why are there silver and gold ones?
Because there's there's different colors of this. Those are the different types of money. There's small gold money.
Yeah, like they go to the same number, right?
Yes, it's just they're worth different amounts. So like a small silver coin is going to be worth less than like a large gold coin.
So my recommendation for this is rather than passing in the size and the type, instead have an enum that is like enum money type or something like this, where it's just like
Yeah.
money 5 coin or something like that, money 10 coin,
Freddy 5 coin.
yeah, or like money 25 coin, and then this would be, I guess these would be usually words, but like, you know, and then these would be referenced in the ready function or wherever we're assigning this, and it would reference these and actually like deal things with them, if that makes sense. So like rather than saying I want this to be a gold coin that is worth a small amount for gold coin, make this like a little easier to reference and then determine the texture later, so that if we're instantiating it somewhere, you know, I don't have to remember, or you don't have to remember how much a gold large coin is worth.
Yeah.
I'll actually add a to-do note here. To-do, switch this to singular currency type and determine book size afterwards.
What would be really cool for a sprite, this is probably like such a niche thing, but is if I could like make a selection and then generate like a miniature reference grid inside of this. So like split this into like 4 even sections left to right, and then make like a mini grid just for reference. Because like in this, I want to draw a question mark in the center that is centered, and it's like, where's the center?
Yeah. I wonder if that is something you can do.
And like I know you can show a grid, but that's gonna be like, oh, you can do selection as grid. That's good to know.
Where?
If you go to view grid, selection as grid, and it will make a selection or a grid based off of your selection.
Like okay, and then honestly,
as useful. And then maybe you could
you could just go in there and do divide by 2 for the. Oh no, you couldn't. No, you could.
Yeah.
You could do divide by 2 on the width and height, and that would show you the center.
Oh. Yeah, maybe I should like mess around with things more.
Yeah, that might be the play. Who knows? Okay, so ideally this should.
That was actually really cool. What the heck?
Hopefully. Cool. Okay, so that does work. So let's say for every, I don't know, 15 coins you have, you deal an extra damage. Sure. Var.
I think it should be. Maybe it shouldn't be scaled, but I feel like scaling damage should be more often than like just plus damage, because plus damage can either be really, really overpowered or really, really weak. Because like the SMG having +1 damage is ridiculous, but like a giant cannon having +1 damage is like useless.
Why are we getting issues? Integer division. Yeah, I know, dude. That's why it's inside of a block where it declares it as an int. That's what I want. Yay. Okay, so that actually does work, it looks like. Yeah, so now it does 12 damage. If I get another coin, I'm going to be at 50, which is not enough to put me over the next damage threshold. And then this will. Yeah, okay. So if I just spawn a bunch of coins and I hit, it's just 19 damage instead. Yay! Okay, cool. Which... I mean, I don't even think damage scaling with money like this is something that I would even want to tune at all right now, because I don't know how much money they're going to have. I don't know how much we want to increment the damage. This was just like a test. I'm going to use this as a way to test that all of the attacks are hooked up, because currently they aren't. Like specifically, whenever you shoot the pistol, it isn't hooked up, which means that I now need to go in here. Function default attack. Oh yeah. I remember. projectile GD 101 in function default attack. Is projectile GD default attack? Ah, yes, actually, you should have a function called create attack, which returns an attack. Okay, it's a thing. And then I also need to assign up the source, but I don't think you have source, do you? You don't. Fuck. Although I guess it's not the worst thing in the world to just add a function or a variable called like source, which is a node 2D. As far as I'm aware, this would still work and wouldn't crash. Yeah. However, base gun ability.
This looks terrible. I mean, it works, but it looks terrible. Something about it looks awful. It's too round. I think actually we just don't have that. All that complaining for nothing. Okay. So, Biddy, do you want to look at this for just a second?
Sure, let me look at this. Oh yeah, these just have like empty whatever. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So the left side is like my new design. So it has little tabs that are kind of offset to the pages. And then it has this like grid. And then it has like these where the blank ones will be. And then over here is the old one where it's just like flat and boring.
Could you zoom in a little on the left? I don't really know what we've done about this.
I think the grid should be moved to the left just a little bit. Because there's a lot of like extra space here, I feel like. Like maybe just like a couple pixels.
I mean, maybe. The one thing that's a little off to me, if you zoom in on one of the cards, it feels a little weird that there's this... well, there's also the shadow for the cards, and I don't know if the shadow should particularly be there.
Well, yeah, because they're like floating, like they are in the menu.
Okay, so they'll still be floating there.
Yeah, they just kind of like sit over the spots. That's why they're not like sleeves. Like I messed with having like it's gonna be offset, but I messed with having like a little shine on there, like
a little
sleeve,
shine.
but I didn't like that.
Are the cards separated by layers, or are they just like is it just this one thing of cards?
It's just the one thing of cards somewhere in here. The other.
Okay, can you go back in there and can you zoom in? Like to the shadow of the card, I guess. Like, so can you just frame one card? You don't have to frame all of them.
Oh, okay.
Can you hide the shadow layer? Okay, cool. Thank fuck that there's a shadow layer. So you can re-enable the shadow layer. Can you double click on it and change the opacity to like lower? Maybe. I'm not sure.
I mean, we could change that in the engine because it'll be like the shadows.
Yeah.
In game like we have, or we could make it a little bit smaller, have it not as big.
We could, yeah.
So like
I'm just thinking about it because I'm like the margins are a little off where the cards are like they're very evenly put horizontally, but then they're kind of offset up vertically, and it makes sense thematically because they're kind of floating, but it just feels a little weird to have them on the grid and then offset from that grid.
Yeah, we can tweak the grid like in the engine. It wouldn't be hard to tweak if we want to.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to remember how we wanted to. Did we want to make this scroll or not?
I don't remember. If we wanted to make it scroll, it could just like do the next page, but I don't know.
That's something we can also mess with. I would say we try scrolling first, and if it looks bad, we can do normal.
Yeah. One thing we could do, honestly.
Because I know a Gungeon, like, you can scroll through the book, and, like, it doesn't feel weird.
Sorry, my brain just, like, went fucking crazy mode.
Uh-oh.
So...
That's not good.
How am I going to be able to show this? I might have to open a base sprite for this.
Uh-oh. He's opening Microsoft Paint.
So, okay, imagine...
you gotta fill in the background with black first. That's not black. There you go.
I know, dude.
Why are you purple?
God.
Nobody can see that.
Yeah, I'll just make it pink, whatever.
Yeah, there we go.
New layer. Access new frame, new layer.
Programmers,
so
man.
Imagine for a second that these are our cards.
They're offset. Okay, sure.
Yeah, I know. So imagine we only have two rows of cards, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
This is our book. Whenever the player scrolls, rather than it being like a smooth, like just grab these and drag them up, what if it is that this layer, well, I guess all of them go up, but these go up, and as they go up, they kind of like dissolve into the nothingness as these shift into the place those old ones do, and then more come down and they kind of materialize from here.
I like that if you can make it look good and that it's very clear that it's still scrolling. Because one of my biggest things that I hate is things where it scrolls like instantly and you can't tell how far you've scrolled.
Yeah. I mean, we could probably have like a thing on the side of the binder that's like a little like progress thing that just shows like how far down the deck you are.
That could be cool. Yeah, I like that.
Kind of like swiping them up in a way, and then like more come in from the bottom to fill in the place.
Yeah, I like that. If we have that, would we want to make both sides cards now that I'm thinking about it? Or would we want to maybe make one side be like information about the card? Or...
We could have the right side be information about the card, probably. I think that'd be fine.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Is this being used? I don't even know if this is being used. It is. Dope.
I'm gonna swap to this soon. This kind of buns on his head. Dog, I spent like hours trying to get it to sound good. It's not my fault.
That's so funny. Where's your profile picture? Oh, it's okay. I thought it was
I'm gonna turn on mic monitoring real quick. I think there's a way to turn that on without having it go through the stream.
Yes.
So if I start talking weird, it's because I hear my own voice in a delay.
You can go in here.
Monitor
you can right click
output.
Yeah. Monitor only, mute output is you will hear it, no one else will. Monitor and output is the one you want.
Okay. Well, I'm the only one that I'm pretty sure monitor only is what I want.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Yeah. I don't think people can hear this. Yeah, it does sound terrible. And talking is impossible. I hate talking with... It is literally just a speech jammer. It does sound kind of bad. I don't know what's wrong with it. Let me double check to make sure it still has all the filters on it. But it should. It does. Maybe it's the positioning? I don't know, man. I spent so long trying to get it to work. Let me double check the gain is okay on the mic itself.
Ooh.
Sorry. That was the mic stand making awful noises. The mic stand is also so bad. It's like springy, but instead of having like actual springs on it, it has like a big like tension cable inside of it that you can barely adjust. So it's like super sensitive, and if you do it wrong, it'll like spring all the way open. And it's annoying. Someday I'll get like an actual mic and audio interface, but it's not today. I'm sorry. I just hope it's good enough that I can like record videos, because I want to do that soon. It literally sounded like fine when I was testing it, and then it's like the second I start streaming, it just sounds terrible. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe I'm talking different than when I was testing it.
Oh, this doesn't know.
Can you
this
tell
is a place
exactly
for
what's
shader.
like buns about it, or is it just buns for the sake of being buns?
Might just be buns for the sake of being buns.
Okay. Many such cases.
Oh shit.
Oh, we need to make that guy work too. Oh, it doesn't work.
It does.
Oh, whoa.
Yay. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to go through all of the attacks and figure out which ones do or don't have that information on them.
Okay, so you'll just have to show me how to
Specific,
set
like
that
for
up.
example, that doesn't have that, which is fine. And it'll just tell you where it does or doesn't.
Okay. Oh, so we'll have this for enemies too? I guess yes, that way, like when you take damage from an enemy, it can trigger things. Okay.
Well, it's also like technically enemies could use this as well, maybe if they wanted to.
Yeah, if they have like status effects, like if they're getting buffed by like another enemy or something. Like,
Or if there's a component that just wants to know whenever a specific event happens for an enemy, like
yeah.
I don't know. We can.
Yeah.
It's
Another
a very
relic
that's yeah.
that I was thinking is something where it like changes the projectile size. I want to know how to do that. Because that's like not an attack event or like something like that. It's different. I don't want to see how you would do that.
It could be. So it could be. Let me see. Could have something like this where you pass in.
Well, I guess it has the source, so you could just scale the source by 2.
No, so source is I guess sorry, this would be target. This is like the nodes in the world that are hit. So like this is the enemy itself. This is like the player itself or whatever.
Okay, that's not the attack. Okay.
This is the attack.
Hi Moaz, jeez. Is my mic buns again? I can't tell.
Again.
It always is. But
Yeah. Is it buns currently?
is it like extra buns today? Because somebody else left my chat because they said it was buns. They hate me. Number 1 tempura cat hater. Fix yo shader twin.
So what? Rick, kunai, laser pointer, meow 36, SMG, sword, yarn ball.
Okay, Moaz must be dead. It's
The
over.
attacks. Brick should have that. Okay, Brick does.
I
have
swear
that.
I'm not a tempura hater. Okay.
Why not?
Why not? Alright, bro.
Yeah, you should be.
Minus 45.
Okay, that doesn't have a source.
Whoa.
SMG does. Sword, it's not.
Actually guilt tripped into coming back, yeah.
Kunai does? Kunai has. Okay.
And you have to make sure you wishlist the game on Steam.
As an apology or
Yeah.
something.
I mean, if you haven't, we might just kill you.
Yeah, laser pointer doesn't have source. Laser pointer.
Fine. This. Okay. Let's just move all these over by 1.
Okay, that does now.
Hey guys, oh wow, Temper, great mic by the way. Thank you. I appreciate it. I spent a lot of time tuning it to get it sound good for my amazing chatters.
So my question, Lazy Tidum, is are you in his chat watching my stream with my audio on? Because I'm assuming you are.
That would be evil. Yes. It can't be that bad. It's probably that bad, isn't it? I genuinely don't know how to make it sound better. I followed like a bunch of tutorials. It's like, it's just buns. There's nothing I can
Just
do
find out
about
together
it.
how bad it is. Just give it a
Really?
little listen.
Okay. Does it sound really bad? It can't be that bad. I spent so long to make it sound amazing. It's really not that bad.
It's not the worst.
It's not terrible. I don't know. I just don't know how to make it sound
It's
better.
very low quality though. I don't know why.
I don't know why either. Like, I turned the gain down on the mic because it was a little too high. Like, I have it way, way down.
I put like a bit crusher on his microphone.
I didn't. Like, I don't know why it sounds like that. I don't know if it's just because I'm streaming. Maybe, or let me check my settings on OBS to make sure it's not like... would it be the audio bitrate?
No, because it's
I
not.
don't think you can change that, can you?
It's on the entire stream. Then if it was the audio bit.
Oh, okay. What is yours set to, just to like make sure I'm not insane?
I don't know, 320 probably, I think. Or not 320. Yeah, no, what the fuck is that? Hold on. I guess we're gonna find out.
Can you like double check to make sure?
Sample rate is 48K always.
Yeah.
Is there a bit rate somewhere else?
Audio bit rate and output.
In output. 160.
Yeah, mine's 162. I don't know why it sounds so bad.
Yeah, I don't know. It does sound like he has a bit crusher on though. It really does.
Yeah, it's really weird.
Spend some time to try to get it sounding better if you want later.
No, like I literally went through like an entire tutorial on like
okay, well,
filters
how about
and
instead
stuff
of going
that
through an
make it
entire
sound
tutorial?
good. No, and then I recorded it and it sounded good. It just
how about
sounds
this?
bad
How about
now.
this? How about this?
Yeah.
You make an unlisted stream on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Send the link to me, and then we can sit and play around with your mic settings until it sounds good.
Okay. Yeah, we can try that sometime.
So it's like actually whenever it gets sent out to stream.
Yeah. But like it shouldn't be
this thing.
different.
Different. Okay, does this
We on the
sword
same
have
frequency.
source? Okay, that works now. Okay, I think all of the major attacks from the player have a source now.
Oh, did we ever come to a conclusion about the glow? Are we just gonna keep it even though it hits the performance a little bit?
I have no.
I ruined the stream. I'm sorry.
Even
No, it's okay.
Even
I'm
though it does
joking.
what?
What?
Even though wait, what?
Though it kind of hurts the performance a little bit. I
mean, I don't you're think talking about post-processing glow. I thought you were talking about the fucking halo around the player.
No. I'm sorry. The post-processing.
I see.
Like, I think it's probably fine, since it... Honestly, like, I think you were over-exaggerating how bad it was. Like,
no, it runs like shit on my laptop. It's a game that I would not enjoy playing at that performance, but the laptop is also really bad, so it's fine.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's fine. I think it's chill, probably.
Okay.
It is funny how much the glow affects it, though.
I mean, we could just have a no glow option that increases performance, but just makes it look terrible.
This is true, yeah. Let me see. Can you change that at runtime?
I think so.
Default environment.
Oh, I guess because it's the environment.
You can. It doesn't look terrible, to be honest.
Did
it just
you
doesn't
actually
look
change
good.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you did.
I think. Did I?
Can you enable it again?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, that's actually not that bad. So I would say, viewers, let's go. Oh, it's possible ban evader. Yeah, you'll get banned, twin.
All right. I think this is how the game should look from now. Is this how the game should look, I think?
What did you do?
What do you mean? What did I do?
I don't know.
I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't even change that much.
Yeah.
Doesn't this look good?
Kind of does, actually. Oh, okay.
Pull Dante's 9.
Oh,
let me change the...
put him on stream while I'm just sitting around doing nothing useful.
Sure.
Oh, okay. Let's just flashbang everybody.
Sorry, I was hitting Control Z to undo things.
But yeah,
is this how the game normally looks? This is with glow on, by the way. The glow's on.
Yeah. That looks about right.
Off. On.
It's like honestly not that big of a difference. I was expecting more. That's way too high.
Ooh. I don't know, man. This kind of goes crazy, though.
Average Unity developers game.
Yeah. If I change the blend mode from additive to screen or to
I wonder if that would make
or
it
to
run better.
replace. Oh god. Oh, surprise! Dante has cataracts now. Yippee. Mix.
Dante is now a horror game.
Mix does literally nothing. It's not literally nothing. You can see the difference. It's very slightest difference in the world.
Does it run better?
I don't fucking know if it does or doesn't. I want to turn on HDR again and see what this does. We're turning on HDR.
Oh dear.
General HDR.
Anything but getting stuff done.
Brother, I literally just got stuff done, and now I get to play around with the project for a little
know.
bit. I literally
I'm
added.
joking. Sorry, that's depth of field use jitter.
Use it or.
Use it or.
Oh, I have to remove the thing from my chat on my side. Oops.
That
HDR
looks
2D
very interesting.
It's very It's not. I actually kind of like the way the Dante looks right here, where it's like I don't know how to describe it. Like the dark, super dark Dante with the eyes and then the glow behind him actually like kind of goes crazy.
You
But
could
I don't
try
think
that
it
in
was
the
ready for
regular
that.
mode by making the lights behind him, because right now the lights are in front of him and lighting him up, which makes him lighter.
I see. Sorry, is glow still on actually? It's not. Now it is.
There's like 0 difference.
Is it because I have it set to mix still? Well, now it's set to additive and it's not doing anything. I think it's because we don't actually have any HDR textures and things, so we would actually have to bump the brightness up. So now we're back at like base game level, except you can see the particles are like really glowy.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Like for example, though, if I wanted this thing to glow, what I could do is I could go into the projectile scene, just called base projectile now. And I could grab this sprite and I could set the texture to... Is there not raw anymore? We don't have raw anymore? It's just called linear?
Oh wait, is that what the new bar is then? If you go
What new
back
bar?
to it, the +0?
Yeah, I guess it is. Oh yeah, it is intensity, or emission is usually what it's called. But
Actually, that's like better, I feel like, because then you don't
So
have to
now-
like...
Oh, it's not
Maybe.
doing it. Maybe I have to refresh the game because it's a texture. It was a unique resource or something.
Maybe.
No.
Maybe it's not high enough.
It definitely should be. If what
This is the
that
best day
supposed to-
ever.
What is this? What is this?
What the...
What is this on my screen right now? I have no idea what this could ever be.
I
What could this
genuinely
be?
have no clue. What am I looking at?
It looks like a Celeste level.
It does.
I don't know because it's just this. There's nothing in here.
Well, it has to be some sort of equipment.
Maybe. I
I
don't know.
think. That's so weird.
What am I doing? Oh yeah, I wanted to check the environment. Control P environment. Res. Low is on. Intensity is. If I turn this up. Yeah, Dante
looks
has
kinda sick.
cataracts now. It does look kind of sick in the context of this looks terrible. What if I set these to the default? Sorry. So the default is not great. If I turn up the bloom, however, so now it has like a little bit of a glow to it.
Yeah.
So things that glow actually do stand out. It's not correct. But what's the default blend mode? Soft light. Oh, yeah. It's chill, probably.
I don't know. Honestly, I think it's
not
just easier just
exactly.
how we had it before. I bet it's cool to mess around.
Yeah. It is. That's mainly what I'm doing. Is just seeing what this looks like.
Because also it's
and
very
seeing what
easy to
the-
just make things look uniform, and I know exactly like what colors things will be.
Ooh,
Oh, okay.
oh,
All
hi,
right.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Oh shit, that looks fucking cool though.
Wait,
Look at
what
the way
the-
the slash has like the fucking
Oh whoa. Oh,
it's
whoa.
got like a glow around it. And whenever he shoots, the particle or the animation that shows up in front of the thing is like glowy. What has is there anything that has cool particles right now? You have cool particles. How many do I have to hit him? One more.
Those look
That does kinda
terrible.
sick. Okay, all right.
Chungo says can't see game. Is it not showing up on your stream for some reason?
Oh my god, because you were working on stuff. Fuck. Hello. That's okay. We just got here. I'm just messing around with Bloom and Dante's 9 right now.
It looks really bad.
I do
It's
really like the way the
doing weird
particles
stuff.
kind of look cool.
I like the old ones better. They're more red, so they're like more
Yeah.
consistent. Because of this, there's like lots of different colors, and it feels more noisy.
Yeah.
Like they're
That's
brighter.
fair. Let me revert. Let me save this, and I'm gonna go to my Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna find environment.tres. Okay. Or don't default underscore. Okay. Yeah. And then if I go revert selected ranges,
Whoa.
and now we're back to where we were, except obviously we still have HDR2D turned on.
Okay, yeah, I was about to say it still looks terrible.
Yeah, and if I were to close the project and then go back in here. This is the project. This is Dante's 9,
Whoa.
the way you know it.
Disappears. But yeah, you can use the vending machine if you press E. You don't even have to be standing in front of it.
Oh yeah, I remember that this causes issues if I spam E.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I added I got rid of this motherfucker on my thing and then I reverted it.
Go.
Yeah, because this thing is doing things that the game is not really happy with.
Yeah, but it looks cool. Kind of.
Yeah.
Still need to like add
Um,
the things and make them do things.
Okay, so relics are technically a thing now, kinda.
Tough.
So this is what it would look like for a relic. So if I look for money relic, it's essentially just this. I'll make a base class that has the event router stuff in it, but it's just you say what signal you want to connect to, and then connect to it, and then this is the attack that happens, and you can modify it if you want.
Do
that's
you
it.
think we will want to be able to like drop relics? I'm thinking no, maybe.
No, I don't think so.
Like I don't think you should be able to like just get rid of them with lane.
Oh,
You are
sorry.
stuck with it forever.
When you say drop relics, what do you mean?
Like when you have one equipped, you can't just like get
Like
rid of it.
removal?
Yeah,
Okay, maybe.
maybe. Okay.
I wouldn't say no, but like my initial thing is
As long as we
probably
make it clear like what they do, I
not.
don't think you should be able to just unequip them. Because then also if you had like certain relics that give you like debuffs, you can't just be like, oh, I don't like this debuff anymore, I'm gonna get rid of it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm trying to think what other
Yeah.
games have like in Gungeon. I think you can because you can like sell them.
It's.
I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, you can.
I don't. You can get rid of one of them for sure. I just don't remember. You can get rid of one of the health ones.
I'm almost certain you can drop any of them.
Acids. What are they called? They're just called items.
Items, yeah.
Passive.
Soggy croissant and furry noodle with hands. Hello, Master Liberty. How are you
Hello.
doing today?
Can you drop these?
You could just like Google it. I'm sure Google AI will tell you.
Can you drop passives in Enter the Gungeon?
Or you
Oh,
could just open and enter the
yes, you
dungeon.
can. Yes, you can.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You do it by bringing up the map, and you can click on the item and then drop it.
Yeah, I remember seeing that, and I was like, wait, you can.
Yeah, yeah.
Very strange.
So, I mean, we could. I'm not super against it. We could also have certain items that are like, whenever you equip this, you cannot equip it or unequip
Yeah.
it. Like it's eternal. Like you have to have this.
Yeah.
But
We could have the same for
you know,
cards too, like a sticker that makes it that you can't get rid of it. Although, I feel like getting rid of cards in general should be difficult. Like you probably should be able to.
Yeah.
But it should be difficult.
I think if you my thoughts are card removal will be rare. I think card replacement will be less rare, but still
card
decently
replacement,
rare.
like swapping out one card for another card.
Yeah, swapping one out for another. Oh, dude, Banovator just sent 2 messages in my chat.
Whoa.
The cheap viewers one. Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Yeah, I guess we could have places where it's like, here's a card, you can trade out a card for this card.
Yeah. I think that would be fine. Although I do think that should still be rare. Like,
yeah.
recently.
Oh, your stream is dying.
Oh.
On Discord, I'm pretty sure it's just my internet. It like slowed down and then the
probably.
bit rate like died and then it sped up. But that's probably just my internet dying.
So, oh yeah, I guess I'll show you really quickly. So the only change that was needed to make, I mean, this was a few places that I had to make this change. To be able to access this relic, or like for this damage dealt signal to work, all I had to do was before attacking, I would assign the source. So attack.source, which in terms of like different places, like source is just for the abilities. This is whoever just used it, which is the player. So this won't matter. And if it doesn't have a source, it'll be fine. Like if I spawn it in, like, who's a guy that will just go after me and attack me? This guy might not work right now, actually. I guess we'll find out. He kind of does. That's weird. Oh, yeah, because he's using the
because he's using
yeah. But you can see it doesn't have a source, but it doesn't crash. These are from the other thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, it doesn't crash, which is good. So it's like if this source is assigned, check to see if that has the component that handles events, and if those events do exist, then emit this event.
Okay.
So that should be pretty simple, hopefully.
What if we make these all the same color?
I would also like
I'm
to
thinking.
have relic. Does the player have a health component? Yeah. He does. Health changed emit, attack received emit. I think before. Yeah, we'll do this far. Will this throw an error because these are technically overlapping scopes, or will this not matter? Self, event, powder. I guess it's not self, is it? It's owner.
Do you think this looks...
Yeah, this will be pissed because these are overlapping.
Do you think this looks better with all the tabs being the same color? Maybe the background should be darker so a little more contrast. Ooh, yeah, there we go. That's nice. I like that, I think.
I kind of like it better with different colors, to be honest. I'm leaning more towards that for me. Game will be out tomorrow. Yeah, plus like 2 years.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, 2 years from now, I think.
I don't know. I feel like the different colors just like... I don't know. I guess it works. Maybe different colors. Or maybe we make the backgrounds darker like I did before. I don't know how to draw, guys.
This is true.
What do you think about that with the darker backgrounds?
Wait 2 seconds.
I think that's nicer. Also, is this a good icon for pins? I don't know how to make a pin icon.
Give me a second.
Oh, that was a flashbang. I'm sorry.
Do you need a source? I guess you could just do like. Well, no, you don't need a source because that would be part of the attack. Yeah. Okay, sorry. What'd you say?
Is this a good icon for pins?
Pins?
Pins.
Oh, relics.
Yeah, like the relics.
Or pins.
The pins are relics. The relics are pins. Froggy croissant. So true.
Hmm. It kind of reads like a necklace to me, I'll be honest.
Oh, maybe. What if we
Could make it like a gem or something.
a gem?
Yeah.
But that's like not a pin.
I was on the wrong layer. We gave artists fucking layers.
No, I
and they do
wasn't
this
on the
shit,
wrong
dude.
layer. I swear it was.
Oh my god, dude. They do
I
this
had the.
shit all the time.
I was on.
All the time.
Wasn't on continuous. What about this? Is this better?
Okay, well you're gonna have to give me a sec. I just
I hate programmers.
Programmers doing work instead of being able to tell
Sorry.
whether or not something is good on their own.
Yeah.
Fuck you, dude. Sorry, what are you pissed about exactly? Narrowing conversion? Eat shit.
Copy paste.
What?
this,
Okay, what's up? Alright, I'm looking. What's up?
Pin.
No, I don't know. Something about it seems off. I don't like it.
Okay, that's fine. It's the wrong layer.
We gave artists layers and they do this shit. I'm telling you, man.
Oop, I did it wrong.
Evil. Evil, I tell you. Oh, dude, that's actually sick as fuck. Okay, JW, can you check this out for a sec?
No.
Let me know when you're...
Second twin.
You're...
Now we need intersection. Intersection. Not this one. And oh, we missed a section. Sure. I think that's good. Hit H. Almost there.
I am jamming a little bit, yeah.
What am I looking at?
Okay, so I have 25 coins. So instead of 10 damage, it does 11. I give myself more coins. I do 12 now. Whenever I take damage, however, boom, it cuts my coin in half. Which just shows that
that's cool.
It just shows that this relic is able to listen to both damage dealt and damage received signals, and then do basically anything they want to with it.
Yeah, like that. The money should like pop out of the player though.
Yeah, I mean, sure.
There's the item in Gungeon that does something very similar. That's cool that I like, where it's the I think it's the money bag.
Mm-hmm.
It like gives increased gold from enemies, but when you take damage, you drop a bunch of coins, and then they disappear after a time if you don't pick them back up.
Interesting. I actually didn't know that.
Yes.
I didn't know
you
about
probably
that
didn't know that because the item costs like 999 coins, and the only way to get it is by either stealing it or like
that's
making
that one.
the shopkeeper really mad, and then he leaves, and then you can steal it from there. The only issue that I didn't realize is that if you make the shopkeeper mad enough for him to leave, he closes the shop on every floor. So you can't get a single item besides that one.
Funny.
So it's like I had all this gold, but I couldn't buy anything with it.
Yeah. So the idea with that one though is like this could be like a risk reward where it's like you get more damage from having coins, but whenever you take damage, the coins pop out of you, and you just like lose that. And it doesn't have to be. I mean, you could honestly make it so that like it just removes like a set amount of coins or like up to a certain amount.
Yeah.
And then those are just gone, rather than being able to pick them back up.
Yeah, because we don't want to copy Gungeon exactly. We would never.
Well, also, like, it's easy for Gungeon because, like, you can kind of just scatter coins in every direction because the rooms are so open and wide, but we're a platformer, so everything has to come back down to the ground eventually.
Yeah, that's true.
Which means, like,
You're so right, Twin.
you know, it's kind of just the area around you, and you can just run left and right and pick them up. So yeah, I do like that though. I do like the ability to kind of just like listen to signals off of this player stuff.
Right.
I might.
No, I guess that's right.
Yeah. Right. So, like for example, how is the slime doing an attack? Do you have like an attack thing? Magma slime enemy. What you got going on?
That doesn't look right, but it is right. Okay.
State machine attack handler. Oh lord. Oh, you have a hurt box. Which this is a component apparently used by a lot of things. I actually don't know. Or you could attach them to the enemy so that they steal it, and killing them can get. Ooh, that could actually. It could be whenever an enemy hits you, they like steal a set amount of your coins, and then over time, like for a few seconds, they will just like munch on the coin and it will destroy it. And if you kill them fast enough, you can get some of the coins back. That's kind of sick.
Yeah.
What enemies use this hurt box component? Whatever, it doesn't matter. I should be able to.
That definitely makes it more interesting, so it's not just like a boring number go up and down. Because that's always boring, you know?
I don't know. I don't know where this is fucking used, I'll be honest. This is like your old hurt box stuff that I don't know if it even is used. I guess it is, yeah.
What is?
Okay. The old hurt box stuff, or the hurt box component.
Oh yeah, it's used, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. My mouse is invisible.
Yes, it could definitely needs a little bit of work, I think, but I'm happier with how this looks.
Yeah.
One's still in Biddy Vision, I'm sorry. It's the other way around now. I want to flip the cards. I don't remember how I imported all the cards like that to look nice as one layer. I don't remember.
I don't know. I should also add the thing that grabs the cards automatically, so we don't have to add them to the DB.
Yes, this is true.
Is there anywhere that we're referencing cards via name still? Because that's the only place I see that being an issue.
I don't know.
Card DB, random card. Oh yeah, tutorial stuff has a bunch of direct card references.
Well, that we're probably gonna remake anyways. Although I guess the tutorial isn't that bad, but I think we definitely changed some things. Let's see. Is there a way to like copy everything in a frame as one?
What do you mean?
Like as one layer. Like if I just want to take this and just
you want that all to be one layer?
Yeah. So that way I can copy it.
It's a little roundabout.
I mean, I know I can just like export it, but I don't want to do that.
No. So highlight the. Fuck. What is the thing? I think you can click and drag on these guys down here to highlight them. Yeah. So click and drag on the frame, like the timeline all the way down, and you can Control-C, open a new file, and then paste it.
Oh, open a new file.
Control-N. Oh yeah, and then just that should be the size of your clipboard. Did it? Does that look right? I can't see what those numbers are now. Okay, cool.
Right size. This is 68 by 100. Nice.
Did that only copy one?
Yeah.
I thought that you could.
Check.
No. Select the layer names.
The layer names.
Yeah. So like hold. You can just hold left click and drag up them, but yeah.
Yeah.
And then I believe you can copy and paste. Not over that. Like copy Control-C while you're not hovered over that.
Like,
Yes.
oh, like this.
Oh no. No, if you...
Oh, that worked. But not
Sure.
really. It's not
So,
what I wanted.
where did you control C from whenever you did it?
I don't know.
Because I believe it is context dependent. So if you were to...
What if I do it like this? Let me try this one more time. No.
Hmm. Wait, what? Anyways, you could paste... Well, then how about this? Okay. Paste all of them into a new file like you did before.
Everything?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
What did you just do?
I
What
don't
are
know.
you doing? Just do the way that you did before, where you highlighted the player names.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay, and then go to the one that you want to do that to.
This
Do
one?
the flatten. Yeah. And then you can do merge visible if you right click at the bottom, or it's called flatten visible on the layer names.
The layer name?
Flatten visible.
Oh, look at that.
And then now that should just be one layer.
Oh, okay. That's useful.
Yeah, the copy and paste is dependent on where your mouse is, by the way.
Oh, okay. No minus 45 seconds today? Whoa.
I hate JW.
What?
This
What did I-
dude's a dumb motherfucker.
Wait, what did I do?
There you go. I got you, man.
What?
That way we get a minus 45.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's okay then. If it's for the bit. Anything for the bit. Lytic.
Lytic.
I said it first. I said it first.
I was taking a drink of cranberry juice.
Alright, bro.
I get a pass.
This guy. Somebody else was talking about cranberry. You were talking about cranberry
Yeah, it was
juice.
me last night. Yeah, somebody else. Wait a minute.
I was like, somebody was talking about cranberry juice recently.
Dude, I fucking
Who
love
was
cranberry
it?
juice. Cranberry juice is so good.
Alright.
Where's somewhere else that I'm doing recursive searching? There's something else that we're doing that's recursive, right?
Somebody was talking about recursive searches recently.
It was me like 2 minutes ago. What the hell?
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, do we want to have
Isn't-
purple
no,
cards,
there's-
by the way? Chat, what do we think about purple cards?
Isn't there...
Do we have purple cards or do we not have purple cards?
There's... We do this somewhere, no? Source. Load. You, sticker DB. You do this.
W
I'm
purple
just going
cards?
to-
Alright, we're gonna have purple cards then. Thank you for the input.
Thank you for the gold coin.
Community run game, by the way.
That's probably not true, but maybe.
Yeah, not true. We don't listen to anybody.
This is true. Oh, this is an auto load. Oh, this
Mhm.
is an auto load. No, it's not.
Oops. Wait, we don't want this to be 3, do we? What's this number again? That's the mana cost. No, I don't want to save that. No.
3.
No. No. No saving.
Oh. No saving.
Bad.
It's
I forgot about the
really
hammer. We still need to make the
static
hammer, like, do things.
potentially.
What do you mean potentially? We, like, have to.
Can you choose the hex value of the purple? Here's a great purple, and you hate purple. You hate purple. You're getting banned from my chat,
Can
you
I choose?
motherfucker.
What do you...
Hex code.
But what? This is a beautiful purple right here, okay?
Well, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's not the most
alright.
beautiful color of purple I've ever seen. Let's find out what this color is. We'll find out. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna audit your color choice.
Purple audit. Let's see it.
Ooh, that's a pretty good purple.
Hmm.
That's a pretty good. It's a pretty good purple.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it an 8
One
out
of the
of
better
10.
purples out there. You know, you get a pass. Yeah, you don't have to beg for your life in chat. You're saved. Register cards from the path of res data cards. I
Look,
believe.
looks kind of sick when it has a bunch of different cards in it.
Hey, you're gonna be pissed that you're.
By the way, I'm doing this so that
getting-
way I can put it in the game and then post it on Twitter.
I see. It's all for engagement.
Everything for the engagement.
Everything for the engagement. Everything's engagement.
Everything's engagement. Me when I'm getting married.
Yeah, okay, like that's gonna happen.
No, that's
Surely
probably not. Yeah,
Yeah, no.
I don't.
Sticker card, if card is card, I guess. Card. And you're gonna be pissed because you think you hide a native class, but you don't. You bitch, you're a liar. You're a lying motherfucker. Oh, because I called it class DB, not card DB. You're so right. You are hiding a native class.
Silly.
Oopsies.
I believe you can
Yeah.
get married. Okay. Keep believing, I guess.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, because you don't have access to... You cannot call non-static function random card on the class DB directly. Yep, you're so right. Static func random card. Yippee! Okay, that works. So now... Ah, yes. Now we have more cards inside of our menu that don't exist. Surprise, bitch. The debug menu has every card now, including energy drink is back, and so is
Gun.
and gun. As well as
Heal.
nuke
Oh dear.
and 2 pistols. And
Absolute
2 swords.
cinema. Oops.
Blank. Hammer.
Blank.
Dude,
What's
hammer's
blank? Like from Enter the Gungeon.
Whoa, and it doesn't work.
So it's a blank card.
Yeah. So how do we want to differentiate that to put those in the menu?
Are you just checking a folder?
Yep.
Just put them in a different folder.
Well,
Just have like an actual cards folder and then a these might be cards folder. Just kidding.
well, that's gross. So I was thinking we could have like just a variable of like whether or not they
No.
are valid.
I guess. I don't know, that feels just as weird, but
Hmm. Because I was thinking that we could have like card, not layers, but like I guess we already have card tags, but like flags, card flags for like whether or not they are usable. I don't know.
I think either way it
I
doesn't
will-
really matter all that much.
Yeah, we'll put them in. I'll put them in a folder called usable. Sure.
Sure.
Card gun curse, card gun gilded. Okay, sure, dude. You're going in there, buddy. Alright, buddy, go in the crystal. No. Don't protest. Go in the crystal. Go in there. You're actually not usable. Technically, I don't think you are either.
Okay, why does this like actually look so cool? What
You
do
got color
think?
now.
Yeah. So much nicer than just like I need to make more full art cards too.
I wish there was a way to
Those are-
select
those are
every line that had errors on it.
Man. Wish there was a way to select
Man.
every card that had layers on. I mean,
Layers.
errors. I heard layers. I'm
Layers.
so artist brain,
layers.
guys.
He's talking about layers.
I said layers.
Dude, he's an artist. Dude, guys,
I'm
he's
an
an artist.
artist,
Laugh at him, guys. He's an
guys.
artist. He's lame.
True,
Lame as
true.
fuck.
+2.
Artist motherfuckers be like, these colors look not quite right to me today.
True. Facts. my
Yippee.
brother.
Okay. Cool, we're back here. Are these in alphabetical order? They don't feel like they are, but they totally are. What if instead of the word add being in there, I just like got rid of that? Because this doesn't need the word add because you know that you're spawning a card. Crazy idea, I know. I wonder if I could also probably put like an image of it or something. Oh, shit,
Also,
there
or
goes
I
the
laugh at
slime.
myself as well as tempura. It's so real. This looks so cool. This looks so cool. I'm art pogging right now.
Oh no, he's pogging all over the art right now.
Okay, what's one more card to put in here that we don't have already? Oh, well, that one got messed up, so we'll just use shield.
Ew.
Why not?
Ew. Ew? Ew. Sorry, no, I can't get over that.
Mm-hmm.
If you look in your Twitch chat, whoa, cool colors. Colors, but with a U.
You
Ugh.
can spell it like that. I could not care less.
I can.
Yeah.
You
I
chose
know.
the right chat to go into, I guess. Holy shit.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, that's actually so much easier to read. I'm thinking about maybe adding something. Oh, what if... what if these buttons were different colors based on what card they are?
Oh
my
wait,
god,
you're so smart. Hold up.
Wait, this might like be crazy as
This
fuck.
might be crazy.
Fuck, these buttons don't actually exist in the world, which means I need button dot.
Okay, that looks really cool.
Shit. I need buttons. You. Wait, I could just duplicate you, couldn't I? I totally could. I could just take you out of the tree and duplicate you. Wait.
Okay, Biddy, where can I dump this to make a
do
preview
you
of it in
fucking
Godot?
What do you mean?
I guess I
What
just
are you
put it
talking
as a
about?
layer somewhere. I don't know. Words.
Yeah. What are you talking about, dude?
I don't
What are you
know. I
trying
don't
to
know.
do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, man.
Card binder.
Oh, you're talking about like where
Just to like preview it.
you can put it over the debug menu.
Put it over the debug menu. I guess it would cover it up, yeah.
Yeah. Or just menus.tscn. Honestly, menus.tscn is probably your best bet. It'll be on top of everything. Button template. There's a button.
But that looks so cool with all the different cards. Look how many cards we have in this game, guys. This definitely isn't like almost every single card that's currently in the game right now, and some of these aren't actually in the game right now.
Whoa. Stop telling them that now.
I do really like the card designs.
Yeah, of course you do. You made them.
There's a lot of art that I've made that I hate.
Dude, it is just like Uno.
It is just like Uno. Whoa.
It's like Uno, but if there was more cards instead of just the one.
Wait. What? Wait, huh?
Well, because Uno is like a game about one card.
Oh, okay, yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Doesn't get what he's saying.
I hate this motherfucker.
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, okay, never mind. I take it back. He's chill. I didn't realize it.
Sorry.
You good, man? No.
No.
This is 16 by 16, isn't it? It is. Cool. And then I can make it so that the texture color on this.
Okay, we're good. My chat's just like randomly reloaded. Oh, okay. Everything's dying again. Be like that. Hello? Are you there, twin? Hello? I
Hello?
love when my
Hello?
internet just randomly dies. I guess I'm pretty sure
Mhm.
that's what that is whenever that happens.
You're pretty sure what?
It just randomly cuts out, you know?
Uh, uh,
I don't know if it's my internet or if it's just like, I don't know, but it's funny. I believe I joined a VC with Tempura once. He meowed a tune and I left the server. Yeah, that's about right. You said menu.tscn. Oh, your
menus.tscn.
menus.tscn.
Yep, so this is our overall menu thing. You can hide the, yeah, you can just like toss it on any of the fucking things or just anywhere.
That's not Sprite.
Yeah.
I
mean, I was
cast
gonna say use a texture,
Sprite
but that's
2D.
Whoa,
Well, I have
he's
to like
casting.
scale it, so like
He's casting it, guys.
casting it. Where's the testing? Testing. Meow meow meow. Testing. Meow 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 meow. Sorry. Okay, what do we need to scale this by? I think it's 3. Yeah, that seems about right.
Icon isn't
That
like a
actually
thing
fits
that's used.
perfectly. Look at that.
It doesn't use icon. Hmm. Oh wait, I could just use the texture button. What the fuck am I doing? I'm like stupid as fuck. Texture button is literally a thing that does exactly this. Oh, it doesn't have text though. Fuck.
I mean, it works. It does kind of.
Yeah.
What menu can I open that will? Yeah, it doesn't really work very well, but
Yeah. If you made a child of the inventory inside of the scene, it should be. Yeah.
Yeah, but I can still see this back here, which I don't want to, but that's okay.
Yeah, I mean, if you make it a child of the inventory, that means that it... Oh, sorry, what are you trying to do right now for
I
testing?
just want it to show up with the blur and not have the rest of it show up.
Oh, it probably covers most, if not all, of the debug menu.
It does
Make it a
not.
child of that. It does not. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, it's because it's hidden, duh. I see.
Also, the debug menu doesn't have the blur.
Oh, it doesn't. You're right. Super. Whatever.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It does look pretty cool. It does have some like contrast issues for the background. I think it should honestly be lighter. The binder itself should be lighter. What's your favorite
yeah.
vowel? Gotta go with Y, because it's like technically a vowel sometimes.
Not a vowel. It's not a vowel.
It can be a vowel.
But it's not a vowel.
Yeah, but
it can
like...
take the place. It can make the sound of a vowel, but it's not a vowel. Y is not a vowel. It's not a vowel. Did I? I'm.
What color should the binder be?
It's not a vowel, dude.
-45. So true.
Yeah. What color should the binder be? I don't know. White, red, blue, green, orange.
Try a lighter
Purple.
color.
Purple, as per the always.
Yeah, we can't just make everything purple.
Why not?
White doesn't actually look terrible. I mean, it looks kind of terrible, but...
Make it like an off-white rather than just a white. Oh shit. You don't not exist. Why not? Why not? I guess it's fine. Whatever. I don't care enough to make this good code. It just needs to be code that works right now. For the debug.
For the debug.
For the debug for today. Label template. Label. If C is label template, where is label? Why are your layout flags not correct? Oh, I see. Label dot anchor. Set anchor? No. Set anchors preset. This mayhaps is what I want. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, and then all I have to do now is I can say you dot self conjugate is equal to
Let's just see what this looks, I guess.
we have like a colors file. We have a color util.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
thought we had a.
there we go. We do.
Yeah. Oop, why did my Spotify mini player died?
Sorry, can I make this a const function? Nope. My fault.
Better. Oh, okay. Where did my Godot window go? Oh, there. Oh, wait. What the? Where did it go? Where is it going? Where'd it go? Why is my mouse?
happened?
My mouse is trapped at the bottom of the screen. Oh, is it? No.
Oh, it's
Oh,
yeah, it's part of the game.
where is it going? Why can't I
Just,
move it?
Alt F4. Yeah,
I don't know what happened.
I know what the issue is. I know what happened. Don't worry. It's because you tabbed out while the game was starting up, and it did like a weird thing.
Oh, okay, that's funny. Oh, why is the background? Oh, because I accidentally exported the background color of the.
Ah, full ass
That's like
background.
too bright.
Wait, okay, so the card has what exactly? Card has color something. Where's color? Oh, color string is. Oh, shit. Although I guess I could, I could put this in here. Static func get color from card. And this will return out a color. And then we'll say the card is this. And then I just.
Merp.
Yeah, merp.meep. Whatever. And except these won't return colors. These need to be
More like meep.merp.
color string. X is that. I'll just say it's a string actually.
Maybe that's not terrible. It's a little too contrasty. Maybe the pages should be a little lighter too then. But I think it looks pretty sick. What do you think at Billidic?
Give me 2 seconds. Oh, that works. Wait, that's actually sick. So you can easily see what type of whatever it's going to be.
Meow.
Okay. What was your question? Sorry.
How does the binder look?
Kind of looks fine. It's very, very bright.
Yeah, I was
don't know how
thinking. I think
Feel a
if
little darker.
I was thinking making the the page is a little bit lighter, so it's not as much contrast. Because the light binder definitely looks better than the dark binder. Because that way it also
Have you tried the in-between binder?
I can. I'm pretty certain it's gonna look bad. Well, I am gonna have to change the colors anyways, so like.
Okay, but you don't have to close the game to do that.
Actually, just...
Anyways, hello Taser, how you doing? Yo yo yo. I'm gonna say
colors are in between. Like this is like in between.
I guess. Oh, I gotta make sure that these can be focused. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ah, wah, wah, wah.
I think.
Like in between, I think. CSU, then it's like too close to the. Oh, let's try this instead.
Yeah, those particles are spawning inside of the player. It's unfortunate.
Maybe it's not terrible, but now there's like no contrast between the pages and the background, so it's like, I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know, to be honest.
Oh, something got messed up here with the colorings, but whatever. Don't worry about that.
What got messed up with the colorings?
In the center here, the
Oh,
little
I see.
ring.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It might just be like the color of the pages need to change if like we go with the lighter binder.
Yeah, I'm gonna try lighter binder.
And lighter pages.
Yeah. Collect my pages.
We do not currently have a couple of things. I can't wait for the Forge menu to not be this. I mean, it still looks good even like this. I mean, it looks fine. It doesn't look good. It looks fine. I'm stimming as fuck right now while I'm trying to think of what I want to do. I guess I should make a base class for the relics, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, buddy. That's enough out of you.
Really make this continuous.
Object abilities. This should not be an object. This should be under relics.
I hate layers.
We gave artists fire and they spit in our face.
True.
Where's this being called from? I wonder. Oh, you aren't. Okay. Where are you being called from then? Because it was fucking one of yous. Apparently not. What the hell?
What the helly?
What the helly? Like, actually, what the hell? Oh shit. A rat. You're called very often, what the hell?
True. Me when I see a rat.
Oh wait, I don't understand. It said hiding mouse one time, but then it didn't. Where the fuck are you hiding the mouse?
Me when I'm looking for a mouse.
Me when I'm looking for Mickey. Where are you hiding him? Hmm. What the fuck? Is there a default mouse mode in Godot? Mouse, maybe? No.
Crazy.
Okay, well, what if I were to say print input dot mouse mode? What are you gonna think that this is? So it went from 4 to 0? Why is it ever in 4? What the fuck is 4? Mouse mode confined hidden. Yeah, you. Who is like telling you to be a thing? You. It's this. Oh, I see.
Hello, Hands of Rain. How are you doing? Almost Uno is actually the sequel. Wait, what do you mean Uno is the
Dos.
sequel? Not Dos. Evil.
Oh,
I
then
don't know
that
what
would
I'm
be
doing here.
Sero type shit. Okay,
what
I
am
fixed the
doing
issue.
here?
Cool. Console. Let's get rid of all of these print statements now, and I'm gonna call this issue good for now. I hate that I have to say for now, but input's always a battle. Take a look at Rivals of
This is
Ada 2.
true.
They are currently fighting a war.
This guy is addicted to Rivals of Either 2.
I know you're thinking about playing Galvin right now. Ooh, it's in your mind right now. You're like, fuck, I want to play Galvin so bad.
True. This is true.
Facts, Your Honor. Facts. Okay. I'm gonna push up changes that I have potentially. What console.prints do we have? We have Awawa, Awawa.
Awawa and
Currency.
Awawa. Absolute Cinema.
Absolute Awawa.
Absolute Awawa.
I need to kill some of these at some point. Why the fuck is Grumble still in this project?
I don't know.
This
Never got removed.
doesn't even get used. Whatever. I don't fucking care. Okay, let me push up my changes.
Okay.
What are you? Oh yeah, card DB is no longer in auto load. Let's see. So of all these changes, I really want to commit all of these imports. I might just do that. All of these got moved to a different folder. These changes don't matter. These changes do matter. Shit. Why do these changes matter? Room Cavern 1? What are you? Oh, this was your testing thing. I remember seeing you work on this like a year ago. Holy shit.
Mm-hmm.
This screen,
Oh yeah.
this
That
like old ass
room
level.
absolutely sucks. It's way too tiny.
Is it? Let's find out.
This might look terrible,
Whoa.
but here's some changes.
Oh, dude, this room is tiny, tiny. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Holy shit, is that Nui? My goat? Hello, Nui. Hi, Nui. Okay. Yeah, no, this room sucks. That's fine though. I just had a change for it because I moved all the cards around and Git was like, yo, you moved some cards around and you didn't tell me. And I got upset. Hello. Hi.
Meow.
All of these changes are here as well.
Did I
Yarn Ball has this
change
change.
that? This look good.
Basic one has this. You might not be a thing. I'm gonna push up.
I don't know. Does that look good? Do you want to
Does
look?
that look good? Oh,
It looks kind of bad,
yeah.
but like it's not terrible.
It's too light. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know. Something about it. It's too clean. What if you had like a blue binder or like a something less neutral? I don't know.
Put so much work into this. Oh, there's some shading issues down here. Whatever.
I mean, it looks
But
good.
it looks cool.
Like,
at least.
design-wise. Yeah. Design-wise, it looks good. I think it just needs like the color.
the
fix,
colors, yeah.
Whatever. Also, is
I
Rivals
hate
Vader
colors.
fun? If you are a person who likes competitive plat fighters, yes.
No, it's just fun in general. I did not like competitive plat fighters when I started playing it, and I have like 300 some hours in it now.
It's true.
I
Actually, has more
no
hours
clue
than
what I
I
was doing.
do.
No, that's not true.
It's not true.
By a lot.
It's not even close to true. You do have a lot, but I have like a lot more.
Yeah. Let me look. I definitely think the background should be dark, or the pages should be darker. Oh wait, what did I mess up here? Are these different colors? Oh, those are the same color, then why is this different? Awkward.
Oh, I should move over your projectile stuff to the new base. Or, well, I guess not base projectile. I guess I should just... Projectile slop, yeah. Oh my god, Cosmic Sandwich. Dude, we got the
Whoa,
grid
is that
here.
Cosmic
What the hell?
Sandwich?
How do I want to do this projectile stuff? I guess I want to just duplicate this, I guess. Sure. So that we have a player projectile at least to work with. Whenever you get a moment, can I have you go into the game?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Can you like run the game?
Oh, okay.
I mean, yeah, like that's what I mean by going to the game. And then can you add a pistol and shoot it? That's the second one. Question mark.
Forgot they're rotating.
Yeah, they are. Oh
I
my
guess
god.
this one, right? There you go.
Okay, so they do have the
Forgot I made them.
trail on them.
What if you made them look like they're in a shiny card sleeve? I thought about doing that.
Dude, he's gonna go
but,
crazy. He's gonna be so pissed. He
I want them
literally
to. Do you still have me on screen?
Yeah.
I want them to rotate like this, so they're like floating, and like that doesn't make sense if they're in a sleeve. So like I thought about it, but they're kind of like magic, so they're gonna float. That way you can rotate them in your head.
You know who can't rotate things in their head?
You.
I knew he. No, not me. I can rotate
Oh,
shit in my head. I'm
okay.
coded like that.
Yeah.
I knew he.
Stop. It's like not that
I knew it.
hard. It's like
It isn't.
you just gotta pick
Just be
which
better.
axis and just start rotating.
Yeah, just start spinning that cow, dude.
What if we
What if no? What if
What if
no?
no?
What if we no?
What if we?
Wait, we literally have a texture
no.
for this already. What the fuck? My bad. You're too busy rotating stuff with my hands. I be rotating stuff with my hands too, but like,
I did that too much and now my hand hurts.
yeah, 3D modeling is like cool as shit.
Alright.
I still want to show you cool 3D modeling stuff, Nui. No,
Yeah,
she's working on
cool
3D modeling,
stuff.
stuff.
Alright, okay.
Yeah, no, she's doing stuff in a block bench.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, I want to see. I love Blockbench. Hold up.
Yeah, Nui, you gotta show everyone. I'm actually,
show.
I'm gonna pull up our
Show.
Discord DMs, and I'm just gonna like show everyone what you've been working on without your consent. I'm not doing that.
No.
What do you mean? Oh, that's not
Joking.
cool. Oh, she said okay. Never mind. What the fuck? Sure. Okay. Let me go find. Wait, no. Oops. I'm gonna go find Nui's DMs then and pull up the image of the stuff she was working on in Blockbench.
I want to see where.
Yeah, I will. That's
show.
like the
Show.
brother. It's gonna be on my screen. Show it to me, Rachel.
Show it to me, Rachel.
I have no idea how you did this shit, by the way, because this looks like more like. Why are you not using Blender? Because it looks like the way you're using Blockbench is way more analogous to like how people just model in Blender. So I don't get it.
Because
like,
Blockbench
it's
is
working
like
for you.
easy.
So here's what she first sent me. Detached Firefox. So she sent me this.
Whoa. Yeah, you can do that in
It's like
Blockbench.
what's
There's nothing wrong with modeling like that in
Yeah,
Blockbench.
I know. No, you can do that in Blockbench. That's crazy, considering she's literally doing it in Blockbench. I know. It's just like the way it's like laid out makes it feel like more blendery because it's like vertex modeling and shit like
do
that.
that in Blockbench.
Yeah, I know you can. Obviously,
The only
you
thing
can, but
slightly
she's
weird
doing
with it is like texturing. The UV mapping can be a bit annoying because of the
Yeah.
pixels. But if you don't really care about like it being perfect pixels, whoa.
Yeah,
See, I tried doing
Yeah.
that, then I like horribly failed.
yeah. So she's going through it. She's building out a character.
That is pretty.
No, it looks good. I
sick.
don't know how the fuck you did that, but like, pop off. Apparently, you can do that in Blockbench. JW is telling me. I don't know. I didn't think you could do that in Blockbench. Apparently.
It's pretty cool, but it could be. Okay, Moaz. All right.
All right, buddy. Get the fuck out of here.
Alrighty. There.
update? You thought you sent the most recent? Are you sending me a new image? Do I get a newy message?
A
That
new
message is very
newy
newy.
message.
A newy message. Do we have a pistol scene? Still a bit like scene. What am I doing in here?
Link's not right here. You, and then we go dark, or no, lighter. No. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to draw. Help.
Okay, guys. My artist doesn't know how to draw. Someone kill him. Okay, here's the latest newy update. That's sick as fuck. She's adding arms.
Whoa.
Kind of sick.
I wish I could like
Whoa.
3D model. I need to figure out how to someday.
Oop. I accidentally moved my
Okay.
keyboard. These are not going nearly as fast as I expected them to. How fast does that? Do you have on your screen right now on your Godot? Can you tell me how fast the player's projectile moves?
Oh, like the
Yeah.
check player projectile.
I don't know how
Wait.
to set up. I don't remember. It might be on the pistol, mayhaps. I think it's on the pistol.
Yeah.
Wait, actually, I think I still have access to it. I do. Yeah, it's fine. I do. So don't worry about it.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good.
Okay. Okay. Should hire Nui
Yeah,
to
we're
be
fine.
your artist.
Ooh, you know what? You might be right. Nui.
Am I getting replaced?
Yeah, you're getting replaced off of your own damn game.
Okay. Fine.
You're
I need
need
minimum,
minimum wage
wage
at
at
least. You're asking for a lot there.
I mean, if we get a publisher, we could hire another artist.
This is true.
Honestly, that would be really cool. But
Another artist.
yeah, another programmer. Although, given that it's mostly like art and content, once we get the systems down,
I think that
Another,
if there
like,
was
artist,
another person hired on
designer.
the team, like
it'd probably be like sound.
it would probably be music. Yeah, I was gonna say music or sound.
Yeah.
Probably be the one that we.
Nui, can you write music?
Yeah, Nui,
or,
can you make music?
Make noises.
Yeah, yeah. Can you make noises? Are you able to? I mean, this is like an enemy. I can reverse that and like pitch it up.
Sure. Okay. You're hired.
Okay. Huge. Is there a bit crusher in Godot?
Am I accidentally running my mic through the Godot bit crusher? Is that why it sounds so bad?
There's distortion. Does distortion have bit crush? Overdrive wave shape 8-hand? I've never heard of that. I'm assuming it's a lo-fi though, so I guess we're gonna find out what this sounds like. Why would they crush me? You know. They be doing that shit. I don't know. Does this not update in real time? Oh no, it doesn't. Okay, cool. I thought that would update in real time, but I guess not.
Is this off?
Could I save this out to an
No, that's fine.
effect? New resource audio effect distortion. Just for a second.
What if you could unlock different binder colors for a whole nother level
Alright,
of
buddy.
customization? Sorry.
All right. How about we like make the game first? I guess you can't add this here.
Oh, but that's lame. I don't want to make a game.
Can you add sound effects to specific audio players? Like music TSC. You.
That's a good question. Or not me.
answer is no. No, you cannot.
Oh,
It's okay. I wonder if I would be able to grab the audio something from one of these. I doubt it. No. Okay, whatever. I'll just rerun the program and see if this sounds like shit. Cool, doesn't sound like it's doing anything actually.
cool.
Or to lower the gain by like a fuck ton. Okay, that did work. Cool. Does this effect do anything? Oh! It does.
That's it.
Yeah.
Kind of insane.
Wow, that sounds terrible. Lo-fi my ass. Yeah, no, lo-fi, my favorite version of lo-fi is just...
Yeah.
It like only does things if it's like max drive. I don't understand though.
Maybe you're doing
That's not
it
what
wrong.
lo-fi means. Wow, that sounds so bad. Increases or decreases volume after it for the effect. High pass filter in hertz. Frequencies higher than this will not be affected by the distortion. Oh. Okay. What if you were like max then? Not really. Let's try overdrive. I'm pretty sure this one's going to be loud, so I'm just going to turn this down preemptively. Cool, I can't hear it. Wow. I said it was going to be loud, and I didn't expect it to be that little of nothing.
Crazy.
Literally nothing happens. This literally doesn't do anything.
The nothing burger effect.
They really just said, yo, give me an effect with nothing on it. Literally does nothing. Cool. Well, I guess that's right.
There we go.
Cool. I love playing around with effects in Godot that do nothing.
Very fun.
Yeah. What are the effects that we have? We have pitch shift, which is cool. It definitely doesn't sound like shit. If you ever set it to like any amount that isn't 1. Wow, that sounds... I don't like that. Okay. I think that's where I'm leaving sound stuff. I was just messing around. I don't know what to do for the rest of the stream. Do I just go stream here?
No, because I'm still trying to figure out how to make this not look terrible, because it still looks terrible. Okay, we're trying red binder.
We're trying red binder. Okay, guys,
Or
do you want to check out his
dark
red
red
binder for me? Check out his red binder for me, guys.
Please, no.
You're on stream.
Don't look at my art. It's so
Where's my
bad.
phone? Instagram Reels, where are you? I'm just kidding. I don't even use Reels.
Wow.
I am opening up Steam, however.
Are you gonna play Rivals while you watch me struggle to draw?
No.
Yeah, that looks
No.
kind of bad. The background needs to be darker, or the pages need to be darker.
Can I show you something cool? Don't close the game. Don't close.
Wait, what?
You don't have to close the game.
Okay.
Okay, then. Whatever, dude. JW's trans mask? Where the fuck did that come from?
What?
What was the huh? Did I miss something? What was the joke that was made? I don't understand this one. Moaz, explain yourself now. Binder? Oh, okay, alright. I get it. +2. +2 after the context. I didn't realize the...
Here, let's
Yeah.
actually. idea to make this easier is we copy this, and we can,
I don't have music on. Here we go.
that's insane.
Oh, I was thinking about it. You know how we have the music and like the issue that we were talking about where it like plays and like for like a frame before the game starts and like the
Mhm.
solution is to turn down the audio bus or whatever.
Yeah.
What if, and hear me out, we just didn't call play on the music until after the settings has been loaded?
I mean, sure. I guess that works.
It does work. I was just thinking about it and I was like, fuck it, I'm doing this now. Whatever.
Okay.
Okay, I'll put it back on stream. Await settings dot. Do we have settings? How do we get settings again? Isn't there a
I don't know. I wrote that like 12 years ago, and I think it was some random tutorial that probably sucked.
config file handler settings?
Here you
ready?
can see
Okay.
Bitlytic making the bold assumption that I know what I'm doing whatsoever.
Cool. Okay, I think that should just work. So now if I hit play, it doesn't do anything until the music volume is set, which means we can have it set as quiet version.
So that's how you pronounce Bitlytic. Or do you think it was Bitlytic? Because I thought it was Bitlytic for the longest time.
Where? What?
In your YouTube chat?
Oh, there's messages in my YouTube chat. Cool. Take a look at
Okay.
this. Take a look at these messages. Oh, they just showed up. Okay, cool. Great.
Nice.
All right, now I'm made out to be a liar. The second I move the fucking
You thought it was
window.
like Bitlytic.
Oh my god, yeah. I haven't seen any messages since 9. Compare fired stream. Does the background parallax? Background has parallax for a long time. Add a glitter shader to the cards. Maybe? It's not like a terrible idea. I'll say yeah. No, sorry, no, the chat just was not showing up on my thing.
Wait, is the glow being applied to this?
But yeah, it's Bitlytic.
Yeah, it is. Okay. This doesn't look awful. The only issue is the red is the same color as the background, so it kind of blends in. I think if I change that to a different red or something. I think this color is good for the pages, though. I don't think the pages should be bright.
Oh yeah, I was committing my changes. I should finish doing that.
Let me try darker red. Oops. Well, that might actually be okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Worst streamer of the year? Which one of us?
It was it was
I mean, he's in your
reference to
chat,
me
so
not
it's
reading the
probably-
chat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'm a pretty terrible streamer
Yeah.
too. You've heard my mic.
It's 3 a.m. so good night, good luck. Good night, good night.
Oh wait, I didn't
I will
actually
probably be
load
hopping
anything.
off stream anyway soon.
Yeah,
so.
same. Maybe.
But thanks for stopping by. What'd you say?
I said yeah, same. Maybe.
Hopefully.
I
probably.
spent the entire stream trying to change the color of the binder to look okay, and it still looks bad. But you know, whatever. Maybe that's good. What do you think of dark red like this?
I like that more. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully you
That
understand
looks
more.
good
I
for
like
now.
that more. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Yeah.
Let's let's make it a child of the inventory. And then in the inventory, where are we
like
showing
actually
the
putting it in the
deck?
game right now?
No.
Okay. I was like, it's not ready to be
I
put in
think
the
we
game.
can
I
just
don't think.
comment that out.
Wait, what are you doing?
That doesn't work.
You didn't move it to the child with the inventory, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Wait, what are you? Where's this? At?
Oh. How do I in menus? I don't know what any of this does. I'm just going through here and
Yeah.
like.
Oh, that.
Oh,
So
here
there
we
should be a
go. Here we
function
go.
called
Show inventory.
Yeah. So go into the inventory code, like the inventory script,
Mm-hmm.
and there should be a method in there called. I think it's activate. Does that?
Yeah, it's activate.
Yeah, which will show everything.
I tried commenting out the show and it still showed. So
Yeah. So what are you? You're trying to do what exactly?
I
You wanna
just don't
show
want the inventory to show up. Oh wait, actually that won't work. I'm a moron. Because then that would hide the sprite too.
Yeah. If you go into the inventory scene, you can just hide everything that isn't the top level node.
Yeah.
Which I believe would just be that thing. Yeah. Don't hide the full screen rec because that's the background shader thing.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to close the game. You can just turn the eye back on. Yeah.
There we go. Look at that. Now this is what the inventory will definitely look like.
What is this on my? What?
Can
oh,
we?
never mind.
Is there a way to make this darken it?
The shader does kind of. I don't know if you're gonna be able to. I don't know if that's going to update in real time. I don't think it will.
Yeah, it will.
Maybe. Oh, it does.
Way too much. Let's try 0.2. Oh! Looks interesting.
Yeah, it's because of the darkening mode that they use. It's a little weird.
Maybe it's not updating properly. Let me restart that just in case.
I might just write about, to be honest, rather than
Oh,
the
nice.
one that we just pulled off.
Everything's dying. Rip. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay then. Hello?
And I'll push that.
Okay, there we go, I'm back.
And please don't tell me there are issues.
It might be my computer, not my internet at this
I
point.
think it is, yeah.
Yeah, there we go. That looks less bad.
Alright, good. Let's find out if you can just update on the fly. Whoa. What did you change, by the way? You pushed up some changes just a bit ago. Do you remember what was in there?
The new card back was pretty much. I was just pushing up a change to
New card
demonstrate
back.
what it looked like.
See.
Oh yeah, and it rotates. I
yeah.
forgot to get rid of it.
Yo, rotationator.
It was kind of funny.
Oh my god, it's so funny the way it slows down whenever you go to select it.
That is cinema.
5. The way the 5 just pops up is so funny to me. Just wait. 5.
There we go.
Yippee. You're also not streaming your.
Yeah, I am now.
Oh no, you are. 5.
5. How many paws?
Type shit.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm out of things to do right now. My motivation to work
Oh,
on the game
he's
is
hopping
dead.
around and scrolling Instagram reels, guys. Help.
Dude, I'm doing that
We tried
thing. I'm doing that thing that
Brown.
you do with your friends at 2 a.m. in Minecraft where you just jump across the chests and talk about life.
So real.
Oh my god, that'd be kind of funny if we added like some sort of detector for that, where like if we had like a a hub area, and we noticed the player was just kind of like jumping back and forth, and like attacking, it would just like pop up a thing and be like, "So I see you're bored," or like some shit like that.
I feel like that would be hard to get it to trigger consistently.
Yeah, probably.
Also, I'm
Without,
pretty
like,
sure we're like the
false
only
flagging it.
people that do that.
No, that is definitely not an only us thing. That is definitely a very common thing.
Oh, okay.
I've definitely seen like TikToks that are like, the night is like has hit the best point when you're in Minecraft and you just start fucking jumping
mean,
around
yes,
on
with
the chests
Minecraft,
at 2
yes.
a.m.
B, is there an easy way to add? I want to add I want it to be dark or just around the edges of this in the background. If not, we can figure out how to do it later. But...
Do you want the rest of it to blur still, or do you want
No, I mean above the blur, I want it to be extra dark around the edges of this.
Technically, yeah, you could add a yeah, you could make it a texture rect instead of a sprite. And I believe you can you add a drop shadow to controls, or is that only for text? That might only be for text.
Let's add a texture rect. Oh, okay, that looks interesting. Theme. No, I don't think so. No.
Okay.
If not, it's okay.
Technically, you could. If you just want to follow my instructions directly. So right-click, change type, texture rect.
Okay.
You can do this quickly. Load in your texture. Oh, it's already there. Okay, so set the controls to full rect. Up at the top.
Here?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, it's scaled. Ah, fuck. So you would need to scale that down by 3. Oh no, you scaled that up. I see.
Yep.
Okay. And then just sorry. Set the go back to the top and click on the thing and set it to center instead of full rect in the top of your editor. Top of your editor.
Oh.
Yeah, because that does actually something different. Okay, you can actually scale it by 3 again. Sorry, you're good to do that.
Okay.
Oh, is it not gonna? Yeah, try that again. Oh.
There we go. All better.
Dude.
I got it. It's okay.
No, but it needs to be a. That changes things, and that sucks. Okay, whatever. You can do it. Add a new child, which is a texture rect or a color rect. Set it to full.
I will set it as white just so you can see it.
Sure. Yeah, set it to full.
Full.
Material. New shader material. Click on that. Set the shader to, I believe it's called full screen blur or something like that. Just quick load. And type in like full. Yeah, full screen blur. And don't click on a label. Set it to go to ordering. Or sorry, visibility, I guess is whatever. Yeah, I think you'd want to do visibility, show behind parent. And then you can set the darken to what you want it to be, and you can change the size so that it's smaller than it is currently.
How do I do that? Transform size.
You can go to the anchors, or you can click and drag the right grabby thing there and hold Alt.
Alt. Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm gonna put him on screen since this looks more interesting than whatever I'm doing. Hello, Jord. How you doing?
This
We're about to
top
wrap
part
up for the night, so
down.
but welcome in.
We'll just try
It doesn't need to
that.
be the most accurate thing in the world.
just
I
wanna
don't even know
see
if it's gonna look good right now.
Probably gonna look
It might not.
terrible.
We'll find out.
I have a feeling it's gonna look goofy, but that's okay. Yeah, it's just a hard edge.
Yeah, it is. Could use a gradient texture for that, but whatever.
But you
yeah,
get
don't
the
worry
idea.
about
I just
them.
want extra contrast around the edges, so that way it's not like.
Yeah, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world to add. Good at it.
Yeah, what if? Does no, I don't.
He does, yeah.
No.
Oh, have you not made that public yet? My bad.
Brother.
What is the best engine to start for
what
beginners? Scratch. I
This
don't know.
is true. This
it-
is true. No, you're right.
So it actually depends. It's entirely based on personal preference. My suggestion: download Godot, give it a try for like a week. Download Unity, give it a try for a week, and download Game Maker and give it a try for a week, and then see which one you like the most, and then try to learn that one. They're all really good for beginners. It's mainly that they have different sort of thinking styles. Unity is very, very, very general. Godot has a little bit more game stuff, and then Game Maker is very 2D only and has a completely different dichotomy from Unity and Godot.
Yeah, Game Maker is
less
kind of
component based.
evil.
It's not evil. It's good.
That doesn't work.
Yeah. However, I think I'm going to end stream now. So
No. Okay, it's fine.
Yes.
Yep. Sounds
Yep.
good.
yeah, because I'm
I'm
bouncing around on the
sleepy
chest right
too.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry to end
Okay.
stream the second you got Heroes up, but all right, we will be back on Thursday. This Thursday today. We will be back on Sunday, probably.
Yep.
Around 2 p.m. EST, I'm thinking. Probably.
Yeah, probably around 2. I have to work that morning. So yeah, probably
Aw.
2:30 maybe. Probably around 2. It's fine.
2 to 2:30, maybe 3.
Yeah.
Give or take 8 hours is probably where we'll be back. So
Yeah.
All right. Well, I will catch you guys on Sunday. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for checking out the development.
Yeah.
We will hopefully have a trailer at some point that we can start showing people whenever we can stream.
Yeah.
But who knows?
Someday.
All right. Good night.